Hello, I'm Dr. Nicole Edwards, board certified family medicine physician and the owner and CEO of Abundant Life Concierge Medicine, where we help to optimize your health, your hormones, your weight, and your wellness. Welcome to Alive Relaxation and Wellness Spa, which is our sanctuary for holistic healing and self-care. Today, we invite you to experience the transformative power of relaxation and stress reduction here at our Wellness Center. At Alive, we understand the impact that stress can have on your overall health and well-being. Sympathetic overload, also known as chronic stress, negatively affects our health conditions and leads to a wide range of physical and mental health issues. When we experience stress, our body's autonomic nervous system goes into overdrive, triggering that fight or flight response. This response can cause an imbalance in our body's system, leading to chronic inflammation, a weakened immune system, and increases the risk of chronic medical conditions. However, relaxation plays a crucial role in normalizing that autonomic nervous system and promoting overall well-being. So when you relax, your body enters into a state of rest and repair, which allows it to heal and restore balance. The benefits of relaxation and stress reduction are extensive. They can address a wide range of chronic medical conditions, including but not limited to anxiety and depression, high blood pressure, high blood sugars, chronic pain, and even digestive disorders. By coming to Alive Relaxation and Wellness Spa just 1 to 2 times a month for as little as 20 to 30 minutes each session, you can experience significant improvements in your chronic medical conditions. Our specialized relaxation therapies such as massage, meditation, aromatherapy, vibroacoustic therapy, these are all designed to promote deep relaxation and stress reduction. These therapies work by activating the body's relaxation response, which counteracts those effects of the sympathetic overload. This helps to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, manage blood sugars, alleviate chronic pain, improve your sleep quality, and enhance your mood and well-being. Here at Alive Relaxation and Wellness Spa, we provide a serene and nurturing environment for your relaxation sessions. Our experienced providers will guide you through the process, ensuring your utmost comfort and relaxation. So if you're looking to improve chronic medical conditions, reduce stress, and experience the transformative power of relaxation, we invite you to visit Alive Relaxation and Wellness Spa. You can book an appointment today on our website or sign up for a free 10-minute consultation to learn more about our practices, and you can embark on a journey of self-care, relaxation, and rejuvenation. We look forward to welcoming you to Alive Relaxation and Wellness Spa, where relaxation meets holistic healing.